Ordering food through DoorDash is usually quick and convenient, but sometimes things don't go as planned. Maybe your order arrives late, items are missing, or something isn't right with the food. In those moments, knowing how to request a refund becomes really important. The process is built into the app, but if you've never done it before, it might not be immediately obvious where to go or which options to choose. Many users end up searching through menus or unsure if their request even went through. The good thing is that DoorDash has made the refund process fairly straightforward once you follow the right steps. Within a minute or two, you can submit your issue and get a resolution started without any hassle. Try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app on your phone. Step 2. Tap on Orders and select the order with the issue. Step 3. Tap Help or Report a problem. Step 4. Choose the issue. Step 5. Add details or upload photos if required. Step 6. Submit the request and wait for confirmation.